In this video, we'll learn how to choose the right AI service model using a clear, practical framework. Choosing the right AI service model is key to efficiency, cost savings, and effective fraud prevention, like picking the right tool for the job. For a financial institution, the wrong AI model can cause major financial losses and serious reputational damage. Meet the MOZ Quadrant, a simple framework to choose the right AI model based on control, cost, expertise, and scalability. Model as a service shifts enterprises from unmanaged and self-managed AI systems to fully managed, scalable solutions. DIY means managing AI fully in-house, requiring high expertise but offering maximum control. Model as a service brings AI capabilities into every corner of the enterprise, from workspaces and meeting rooms to amenities and custom solutions. A tech company with strong AI expertise may choose a custom model to tailor solutions to its unique data and algorithms. Use this checklist. Evaluate your budget, in-house expertise, control needs, and scalability to find the best fit model. Choosing the right MaaS model improves fraud detection, reducing losses, and building customer trust. You now have a clear framework to choose the right AI service model, assess your needs, align with goals, and pick the best fit.